good morning. A bit of a different video. It's Sunday morning. It's 7 a.m. Weather looks good, and I'm gonna take you to a ride in the Black Forest.
Originally, I planned to make this one without a voiceover. I mean, this channel is called The Art of Doing and not The Art of Jabbering. But first, let's head to one of my favorite places. There are pros of waking up early on the weekends. I stopped halfway up at this side parking and just listened. At the top though, things were nice as well, but
So yeah, this is Kaltenbronn. As cool as this place is, problem is it's too cool. Everybody knows this place.
let's continue. While you watch me drive, let me give you a quick update on my 964. On the repair side, things are better but not perfect. Engine-wise, even though we did a lot of work, it still isn't completely dry. I think the crankshaft seal is still leaking even though we replaced it. It's not much, but still not ideal. Also, the exhaust may not be 100% sealed. I mean, at least it sounds like it isn't. The other remaining issue is the vibration in the left-hand corners. Even though we replaced the drive shafts, the wheel bearings and the wheel hubs and fitted new tires. It feels a bit different now, but it's still there. So at this point I think there are only two likely causes left. It's either some suspension bushing or the limited slip differential. But apart from that, I'm happy for now. On the positive side, I've also continued working on the spoiler speed modder. But I need to wait for some components that are apparently being swallowed by the AI boom or something, because they are sold out everywhere at the moment. So that project will continue just a bit later than planned. The thing is, I'm currently dealing with two dilemmas. The first one, I need a new workshop. The current one was only temporarily, and I'm genuinely very grateful that I could do all these repairs there. That shop is basically where this little YouTube project started, and it made quite a few of these videos possible. But before I continue anything major, I need to sort out where the car and I are going to work next. I already looked at a few other places, but I haven't signed anything yet. So that's the first open topic. The second one is, what am I actually going to do with this 964 now? All the necessary repairs are basically done. Now that I've said that out loud, it will probably break down next week. What's left now are the I could do this jobs. Not necessary, not urgent, but possible. And the truth is, the things I'd really like to do are probably a bit too radical for this particular car. For example, I'd love to build something like a 964 Touring. Lighter, bucket seats, a bit more power, and all the usual bad ideas. And the thing I'm probably most ready for is a brighter color. But with a first paint 964 like mine, that's a big no-go. So maybe what I actually need is a project car. Something with a rougher history, something where I can do wild things without people getting angry or without destroying too much value. That could be something like a Tiptronic car converted to manual, or a C4 turned into a C2, or even a car that gets stripped down to the bare shell and built back from scratch. Who knows? Time will tell. So yes, I know this wasn't really a proper video, more a quick update on where things stand, what's still not right and what might come next. First world problems, probably. But more on that soon.